So you're the owner of a limited company, and maybe you've got your wife or a business partner involved as co-owners and shareholders. Or maybe you're just thinking about setting up a limited company and it's just you at the minute, but you might want to invite somebody else in as a shareholder. Well, your share structure is really, really important, because if you want to be able to distribute dividends and differentiate for tax efficiency between the partners and the shareholders in the business, you need to have different classes of shares, and you need to be really careful about what rights those shares have. Likewise, if you are just starting off and you've only got one share in the business, well then how are you going to add in new shareholders? It may sound simple just to change things, but actually it's really, really complex what you need to do from a legal perspective as well as at Companies House. So if you're not quite sure and you're starting off, give us a call and we'll talk you through the pros and cons and the options you've got. Or if you're already set up and you're not sure what your shareholding status is or what that means, check your articles of association and again, give us a call, we'll be happy to help.